All right, welcome to another update video. So this time around, there has been huge changes on the backend side of things, but the users wouldn't notice as much. So last time I've shared that I've added three more languages, right? So now we have C++, Java, JavaScript, and Python. So because of that, um, there has been like major server side change already, but with an addition of custom classes such as tree node or linked list node, stuff like that. So because of those like custom class implementations, I had to rewrite the backend for JavaScript as well as Python as well. So all four languages now use the same like design patterns and stuff like that to run the code as well as submit the code. So that's why it took a while to implement these changes, but it's finally here. So now I've been adding a linked list problems as well as tree problems, so, which means if we go to our roadmap, I think this last time around this was not clickable, so now it's clickable, or maybe I'm mistaken. But anyways, all of these topics can now be added to PipeUp. So, for example, like the tree and linked list, these two were like the main ones that we didn't have support in, so now we do. So that's cool. Which means I will be adding more and more problems. And currently we have 260, but 10 days ago when I uploaded the last update video, it was like 246. So not much problem has been added, but now I'll be adding more and more problems since all the custom class implementation is done on all the four major languages, right? So that's that. So which means be ready to solve more and more like class problems, I guess. Just those two classes like linked list and tree. I don't think I need any more classes, but we'll see. Hopefully not, so because it's been a major headache to add only those two. All right, so on the leaderboard front, I've added countries, so now you can see your countries on the leaderboard if you have been set up. So, like if you go to problems, you can see your country and then you can edit it as much, to whatever you like, and then just save it, and then it will save it. And so that's been on the profile front of things. But as you can see, like this score is not the same as leaderboard, right? So that's by design. So this is meant to show like how many problems, how many different problems did you solve, like problem solved, right? But your actual score on leaderboard is the total score of all four languages combined. So technically, you can have like 1,000 points right now. So like over 1,000, I believe. So we have 260, right? So it's like 1,040 score on leaderboard right now. So that's like really high, but no one has reached that yet. We'll see who does in the future. Yeah, I don't think that's. Oh yeah, so on the problem side, since we added four languages, right, we have to have some sort of custom language solutions, right? So default is Python, and then you can choose the ChatGPT explanation as we did last time. But I've changed the design, so I think this makes sense. And then you can toggle the JavaScript, Java, and C++ solutions. And if it's not there, then it's not there. So, and I can click here to add a custom solution as well for all the different languages. So that's cool. And this has been the solution change. So I think all the major development has been, it's going well, and now we just need to add more and more solid problems. And I've already started on the path to add blind 75. So those problems will take a while, I believe, because what I'm trying to do is not just throw in the 75 problems, right? So I want to add problems that is prerequisite to those problems as well. So most likely it's going to be maybe like 200 problems or maybe 150 problems. We'll see how much of a prerequisite each problem gets. So for example, like target sum 3, this is like a what is called like two sum problem, right? So this is like a uh, this problem is in the list of blind 75, but these two are like the prerequisites. So it's like it's going to be easier to solve the actual blind problem. So hopefully this will help. I think it will. Yeah, that's been the update, and yeah, see you on the next one.